From AK, 3-in-1 tape measure over 130-foot distance. 131 feet to be exact, with 16 feet AutoLock. An instruction guide, 2 AAA batteries included, an attachment, some adhesive foam, and a tape measure with a lanyard strap, and a precision Phillips screwdriver. On the back end of your tape measure is a screw. Unscrew, open up the door, and slide in your 2 AAA batteries. Lock down. There are 4 circle adhesives. They replace the ones on the bottom. You have this little clip area and a belt holder. Press down, it expands. Slide your belt through. Very easy, snaps on into place. And when you want to remove it, press the button, lift up, just like that. 1, 2, 3. It holds on there nice and strong, locks into place. These little circles, they replace the ones in case they ever fall off. They go on an existing area. You have your laser, sensors, magnets for the strip that come out, the quick release button, the snap-on area, a lanyard strap, the battery door, and the control center. This is the yellow, comes in also a dark color, gray. It's rubberized on the black, and it's skid-proof on the table. To power on and off the unit, it's the red button. Press it once, you see the laser point out. And to shut it off, hit the C button, the laser shuts down. 2 seconds to turn on. Shows a battery indicator, audible beep. We're going to pull out the tape measure and measure 19 plus inches from here to here. We're going to turn the unit on. Press the function button once, and we get 573 M. Tape measure screen will light off and shut it down. To reactivate, hold the button down. To change the window, hit the red button once. We're on 22.4 inches, and we change it in the center button of the unit by holding down. It is cycled through all the modes. To shut down the machine, just hit the C button or allow the unit to time out. On the end of the tape measure is 2 magnets. To bring back the tape measure, press the black button. Your laser, your sensor for measuring. The tape measure has a built-in level by pressing on the first button. A demonstration of measuring the table is simply turning the unit on, pressing the red button on the unit, measures 22 5/16. Hitting the center button, you could now have a second line and do another measurement as well. Pressing the red button, you have 17 plus inches. We shoot a laser. We hit the front button and get the measurements of the unit. And then we want to give a line to see if we're straight. We press on the unit. And we have a line of level. As we go over the linear, word line, area measurement mode, volume measurement mode, polygram measurement mode, and more. You're looking for a 16-foot tape measure and longer distance through the laser. This tape measure 3-in-1 may be something that you are after. We need to take a measurement of the room from standing here. We hit the button. We get 21.3 inches, and we need to level a line to do hanging. 21.3 feet from where we stand. 3-in-1 tape measure with a belt clip that goes onto your belt, locks into place, simply easily to remove. Replaceable rubber feet, magnetic tip, laser and level 3-in-1 tape measure. Enjoy your product if it's something that you are after.